Hello, this is aerialmarket.co.uk. We're going to show you how to put an aerial or coax plug on the end of a cable. This is your standard coax or aerial plug. This end the cable goes into, this end is the end that's pushed into the television. The plug comes in four parts. You have the back clamp, you have the braiding clamp, you have the center pin, and you have the body of the coax or aerial plug. To prepare the cable, get yourself a sharp knife. I'm using a model knife. I need to cut the plastic sheathing back about 1 inch. Just turn it on, try to break it. Don't cut too deeply. You should end up with the braiding and the sheathing so you can fold it back. Now you need to cut this off a bit, so I'm just going to get some snips. Just going to cut this back to a level, push that back. Some bits there we need to cut off. Don't cut all the braiding off, but it's got to stop it from protruding out the end of the plug. This is the dielectric. This now has to be cut as well. Cut about 1/4 inch. If you just go around the dielectric, this is a piece of plastic around the core of the cable. Turn that. So you are now left, I'll just swing that around that, with the dress part of the cable. You now get the back clamp, put that over the cable that way. You then get the braiding clamp. Open this up. This then goes over the cable that way, push it down, keeping the braiding back. Braiding should not touch center core. You then get the pin and put this over. Now if you want to get better connection with the pin, you just slightly turn the center core, put it into the pin and then straighten it straight. Then get the body and put the body over the cable, and you turn that clockwise into the back clamp. Keep turning till it's tight. When you finish, it should be coming out there. But it is pretty tight. You should have it. Look in the end, you should have no braiding coming through to the center core. That is how to put a aerial plug on. Thank you. I hope you have every success with your plug installing.